What we have here is a John Deere green 5105 model made out of a sewing machine. It's got a 522 front end loader on it. Just look at the detail on these things. Look at the lights. The lights are on high beam, not used by headlights or else. There's pieces that are used for the sewing machine. This here's like the aluminum can lid for the fenders. The seat is actually a piece off the sewing machine. This is where the thread goes through whenever you do the sewing machine. That's a little pedal. But anyway, that's the power box he used. Anyway, I was going to give you guys a show at what he does. He turns old sewing machines into tractors. He got about 9 of them total. All right, y'all have a great day. We're going to get back to work. Thank you so much.